I ordered something incredible here. I mean, a couple of years ago it seemed incredible that such a product can exist, but theoretically, here we are for $2.50. We have something that can act as a UPS. That's right, a UPS with one lithium ion battery, one cell, and it can power a device at up to 12 volts, 0.5 amps or something. At 5 volts, it's 1 amp. So let's see. Is this even inside here? What? I cut it open and it's here. Tada! Oh boy, it's small. Haha. I thought it was bigger. So it's a OKY3501-10. That's what it says here too. It says battery protection module in Romanian. So I guess theoretically that's correct. It protects the battery. It has all sorts of protection features. But the main thing is, let me just zoom in. So this guy has a, what kind of chip is this? 4056H. So it has only one chip. Oh no, here's one more. The little guy. Can we read what it is? It's either 8 or a B. 62B or 8. Yeah. I'm not sure what characters they usually use here. I think it's a B. Whatever, it's too small. I can't read it. So yeah, let's see what it has. So the module is J5019, allegedly. I think that's the module model. Nothing on the back, just some through holes. To solder, what do you solder here? So this is the output, positive and negative. This is the input. Yeah, that's the same as the micro USB plug. So that's the 5-volt input. And the battery goes here on the top here. Battery negative and battery positive. And allegedly this thing will keep on the power from the battery to the output, as long as there's enough charge in the battery, down to 3 volts or something. And if it gets power from the plug or from these two contacts, from these two pads, whatever you call them, if it gets voltage from here, then it charges the battery and supplies voltage here. So this will have to be tested because I don't know exactly how the power gets distributed. Because if you connect, let's say, a 5-volt 1 amp load on this, and the battery can also charge at 5-volt 1 amp, then how the power gets divided? Does the load not get enough power, or the battery is not charged if the input is only around 1 amp? So yeah, I have to try that out. I have a multimeter and what do you call it? A voltmeter that also measures amperage and milliamp hours and amp hours, whatever. So yeah, this is a miracle product if it works as advertised, because yeah, I'm planning on using several of these in series in parallel. I don't know what you can combine with this. Its only limitation is that 5 volt 1 amp. So that I have to see how you can overcome that. But there are plenty of applications for this too, like a small network switch. This is a gigabit switch, 5 ports, and it only needs. Does it say 5 volt 1 amp? So with this thing and one battery cell or two, this could become a backed up network equipment. I mean, with backup power, it can go for 2 hours with a 2000 milliamp hour battery, approximately, slightly less. So yeah, you just need a battery cell and this electronics. And in case of a blackout, this will keep going for another 2 hours. With just these two, $4 in parts, or five maybe. And yeah, that's what I'll probably do with these. Also, a more interesting application is that I'll put one of these into my multimeter because it uses a 9 volt battery, but it keeps draining it very fast. So I would just set this to 9 volts from this little spinny thing, trimmer or what do you call it, and it will output 9 volts, and I can charge the battery whenever, and I don't have to buy any more 9 volt batteries, hopefully, for the rest of the multimeter's life. So yeah, I'll make some more videos about this. This seems the most interesting little circuit board that I've seen, that I bought and seen, of course, lately in the past 2 years. This sounds promising, and yeah, distributed power. You can have all your gadgets and everything have their own battery. I have to do some more thinking about this.